back to my channel. I wanted to start this vlog today. I didn't really plan on filming today, but I just got a package in the mail, which is exciting. It's almost 9:30 a.m. and I slept at around 6:30 in the morning. I couldn't really sleep. This morning I got a package from Glassons. I got this like really cute cropped cardigan. I also got these like linen buckle shorts, which look very cute. So for the past hour or so, I've been trying to enroll into university, and it's so much more like difficult than I thought it would be. And there's just like a lot of steps. Like right now I have like my passport with me, my tax file number. I have a bunch of tabs open on my laptop, and it's just so time consuming. I almost gave up, and I was about to like call up the university and just like get them to help me out, but I think I got it. I think one of the classes that I was trying to enroll into was actually full, so don't know how that's gonna work. I don't even know if I should even mention this, but I don't even know if I want to go to uni or take a gap year or do some other tertiary studies. I've just been very unsure about like the future, but I got an offer at uni, so I think I'm gonna give it a go, but I'm still gonna keep my options open. This is just my first offer rounds, so there's a couple more like university offer rounds that I could get into other courses that are higher up my preference list. But this is just the first offer that I got, which I'm actually pretty happy about. But I've been doing a lot of thinking about just like what I want to study and what I want to do and what I enjoy. So right now I'm just going to enroll, and then if I end up changing my mind along the way, I'm just going to like withdraw the classes and the course, or defer it, and then I guess just do something else that I enjoy. With that being said, I have enrolled into my university course that I got offered. I'm still waiting on other university offers, like I said. So right now I'm just looking through the overview of the course and the details and career options on their website. Hi everyone, I look like a mess, but I just got to the mall and we're gonna go grocery shopping. So I just finished grocery shopping, put the groceries away. I'm gonna go take a shower and wind down for the night, and then I will update you on what I do next. I just finished my shower and now I'm catching up on a K-drama called True Beauty, and I actually really like it. It's almost finished, all the episodes are almost out. It's a really good K-drama. I really like it. They all wanted to go and pick up friends and go to Daniel's Donut, so we might do game night later, but yeah, we're just meeting up with a couple friends and I will see you there. everybody else is here chilling. Donna's here, Andrew's here.
Is that mine?
I don't know. Hi everyone, we are here at the Berg Lookout at 3 o'clock in the morning and it's very beautiful. You can see the city from here, you can see the lights. It's very cold, but my brother is there, my cousin's here, 2 of my cousins here, my brother's here, and yeah.
Should have got lying on the floor. Should have got.
Getting ready to go and meet up with friends again. I'm running late, but I just did my hair. Oh my gosh, I'm running late. Okay, but now I'm gonna pick out an outfit. I don't know what to wear. I'm running all over the place. Oh my gosh, I'm running late. Hi everyone, I'm running late as always. Finished, got dressed. Got my bag. Now out the door. I just put lip color on. We are picking up another friend and then we'll go to meet at another friend's house and then the restaurant.
What's up?
Tyler's here, say hi.
Who are you talking to? Oh, is this your vlog?
Yeah.
I saw it on someone's story. Mate, we don't even have the drinks yet. It's not a party until the drinks come out. Yeah, man's fucking vomiting.
We finished kbbq. We are looking for places to go.
No, we're not.
And
No, we're not. We have a spot. We're going to Carnival.
Alright, we're going to Carnival. And we're just sitting in the car. I mean, not sitting. We're on a mattress in the back of the car. Hello.
They left it.
The carnival that we went to was actually closing, so we weren't actually allowed in. We decided to just go to pool and play pool for a little bit. And right now we're just at a petrol station just to get some petrol and then we'll be off at pool.
Yeah, I'm about to go for
Damn.
Hello! We are here at the pool place, but basically it's closing. It's closing in like half an hour, so now we're all cramped in one car at the back. We got
Oh shit, the lighting.
we got everyone just chilling in the car, chilling in the back of the car with the mattress, and we don't know where to go next. But it's basically the
Now we're going to
pool.
Donna's.
Extra 2 weeks.
We're going to Donna's.
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to karaoke.
It says
Yes.
delivery.
Karaoke.
Dead fucking
Yes, sir.
3 weeks.
But we're all lying down on a mattress right now
Yeah.
in the back of a car.
You know, sold 3
Look
rings.
at everyone.
Oh, Brian.
Bought him for 2.
Waiting for Brian.
Waiting
And
for a
Rowan.
friend who got lost on the road and didn't
Who you
follow
talking to?
us.
That's family, damn. That's
Oh, is this
tough.
your vlog?
Yes.
guys, say hi to the vlog.
Say hello, everybody.
Thanks, Daniel. Who's Daniel?
Where's Daniel?
Okay, that was our problem. The place was actually open, so yeah, we just didn't read properly, and the place is actually open, so we're gonna go in and play pool.
What's that?
Say hi to my vlog. We finished. We finished that pool.
What the? This guy said it tastes like.
It is, what time is it? What time is it?
2:30.
2:30. It is 2:30. We finished pool. We're out here.
Too early to go home.
Oh,
But like,
so I don't know what we're gonna do next.
In the car?
We vlogging.
Hey, what happened?
What? Ah, are you guys in the vlog?
It's currently 2:30 p.m. I mean p.m.
Time is it? I think it's 2:30.
2:35.
Mac, what's going on with the vlog?
Hey vlog.
What vlog?
It's 2:35. We just
vlog.
finished up at
She does YouTube.
Q8
bro.
bar. We were playing pool. You know, the vibes.
Hey man. Hey man.
That's not how I sound.
Hey.
Yeah, but this guy going around.
oh my god. Okay, this
Oh shit!
I was caught you.
I'll
You see that reaction?
I'm not like Brian.
I'll see you later.
Bye, 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 bye.